Listen, if someone hasn't proposed to you yet, this Marry Me chicken breast is going to do the trick. Today I'm showing you guys this delicious stuffed chicken breast recipe. Takes no time, juicy, cheesy, and delicious. Let's get into it. I'm starting with 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. As you can see, I'm going to pat them dry as we want a nice, beautiful sear on the breast. Flip it over and pat it dry. Next, we're going to slice the chicken right in the middle, just like this. Not all the way, because we want to form a pocket for the stuffing, just like this. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other one. Perfect. Just like that, as you can see. Next, we are going to drizzle some olive oil to our chicken, rub it in, flip it, rub that in. And now I am going to season it. I have a lot of good seasoning in here. I'll leave it below. I'm using Island Vibe Cajun seasoning, a little bit of Creole seasoning, a little bit of Old Bay, onion, garlic powder, parsley, as you can see. Also, I am going to season the inside, okay? Do not forget the inside of the chicken. Very important. Flip it over, season the other side. We want nice and bold flavor. Every bite of this chicken is going to be absolutely, absolutely delicious. My chicken is nice and seasoned. We're going to set it aside for now. All right, it's time to make that spinach mixture. So I have about a handful of spinach. I went ahead and chopped them up. As you can see, I'm going to pour it right in this bowl here. I have a little bit of bell peppers. I shredded them, well, grated them actually, or you can just chop them very, very finely. Going to add that in. Now, I have the sun-dried tomato. This is where all the flavor is coming from, so make sure you dice them as well very finely. Also, I have some grated onion going in. Of course, we have our cream cheese. Make sure you allow this to sit out for about an hour. You see how it's just very soft? You want it to be room temperature. That way you don't have to fight with it, you know? So I'm going to mix everything together just like that. I have some Parmesan cheese I'm going to add in, but of course you can add whatever cheese that you like. A lot of people really like mozzarella. And let me add my Parmesan cheese, just like this. Just mix it up. And of course, I almost forgot, we have to season this mixture. So let me add in my seasoning. I'm using the Cajun Crush seasoning. It's my own Cajun seasoning. I'll have it below for you guys. Just add that there. It's about a teaspoon should do it. Mix it up. All right, now it's time to stuff my chicken breast. As you can see, just gonna place that in. This smells so good. Oof, it smells so good already. Going to make sure I stuff it in. I like the stuff look, so. Okay, now I'm going to move this here so you can see. Now I'm going to move on to this one right here. Stuff it in. Really good. Perfect, perfect. Now I have some toothpick that I'm going to kind of use to help me secure my stuffing so they don't just fall out. I'm going to cut these because once I flip this over, I want a nice sear on the other side as well. And make sure you count how many you have so you don't lose it inside. I'm pretty sure you'll see it, but yeah. Now we're going to pan sear these chicken breasts. They look so good already. All right, guys, it's time to pan sear my chicken. I'm going to be using the sun-dried tomato oil. More flavor of that sun-dried tomato, of course. And then I'm going to place my chicken in. for a nice, beautiful searing, of course. Now this is not going to cook it, okay? This is just to pan sear it to give it some beautiful color. It's time to flip them over. Now be careful with this because sometimes you have, ooh, that looks so good. That looks so good. Okay, let's flip this one over. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. That's what I'm talking about. You see this? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It is time to remove my chicken and place it to a baking dish. Just gonna flip it like this. Ooh, it looks so good, y'all. And it smells even better. Just place that right here. Oh my goodness, that looks absolutely delicious. Now we're going to bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes on 350. While my chicken is baking, I am going to work on this quick creamy sauce. It's optional. I'm using the same baking dish. I'm going in with about 2 tablespoons of butter, nothing major. Going to melt that up real quick. You can add some garlic to this, but I don't have to, honestly. I'm going in with some heavy whipping cream. Just add that in, just flavor, that's all. Flavor. Now you're going in with a little bit of seasoning, something light, you know. I'm using my Cajun Crush seasoning, but you can use whatever all-purpose seasoning you have. Stir it real quick. And this is a little something to pour over our chicken, pretty much. And it's done. That easy. Creamy butter sauce, delicious, of course. So good, so good. I don't think you guys are ready for this goodness. Oh my God, this is delicious. Ooh, chicken is juicy. Y'all see this? It's time for the taste test, y'all. Cheers. I'm excited. All the seasoning in there. The bell peppers, the onion. Now, if you don't get proposed to, don't blame me, because this right here, baby, you gotta try it. I thank you guys so much for watching today's recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Definitely give this a try. It's 1,000 out of 10. It's gonna be on repeat this week for sure. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new here. If this video was helpful, be sure you hit it with a thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.